Oppo just announced a new product line named Reno, and as the company's vice president said, this is not a new sub-brand like Realme. Instead, it is just a new product line and the very first phone under it will launch on April 10th. If you don't know, Realme was also a new product line from the company, but later on it separated into a different brand, so maybe the same happens with Reno. Anyways, the official promo video of the Oppo Reno has leaked on Weibo and it reveals one of the things that would make it a unique phone. At the MWC Barcelona, Oppo showcased the 10x lossless zoom technology and the same technology will be seen in Oppo Reno. But still, it is hard to say if it is going to be the first phone to launch with 10x lossless zoom technology. The Huawei P30 series is launching on March 26th and the P30 Pro is most probably coming with the same technology. This is because it too has a square lens on the rear that was seen in the prototype that Oppo showcased at the MWC. Talking about the design of Oppo Reno, the promo video gave us a look at the rear of the phone and it showed a design that is similar to the prototype device that Oppo showed at the MWC. So there are triple rear cameras placed vertically and one of them has a square lens. Assuming that the camera setup will be the same as that of the prototype device, there will be a 48 megapixel camera with Sony IMX586 sensor, a 120-degree ultra-wide-angle camera, and finally a telephoto camera with a 10x lossless zoom. Now, to achieve 10x lossless zoom, Oppo used the D-cut optical lenses that act like a periscope. Thanks to the refined optical image stabilizer and a large sensor, you get super detailed and clear photos even when you zoom in. So yes, this is definitely going to be an interesting phone due to its camera technology. Rest of the specifications are not yet known, but Oppo has already revealed that a phone with Snapdragon 855 and 10x lossless zoom is launching in the second quarter of this year. So this phone is definitely the upcoming Oppo Reno that is launching on 10th of April. Finally, since Oppo showcased this technology at the MWC Barcelona, it would be safe to assume that Oppo Reno will launch globally and not just in the Chinese market. So what do you think of this upcoming flagship from Oppo? Do let me know in the comment section below. As always, I will catch you in the next one.